By the end of the year 2025, Gram started replacing the traditional following tab on profiles with a new friends list that only showed mutual followers. Instead of a full list of followed accounts, the profile only displayed the people who follow you back, essentially creating a curated list of a two-way connection. The change, of course, wasn't welcomed well. Rather, it was called terrible and depressing by many, as mutual followers list visibility on one's profile created an awkward privacy situation. But looks like Insta is not done showing down the friends terminology, as now they've added the friends tab or list before followers and following. So it has basically replaced the post counter. Instead of completely replacing the following list, it has joined the followers and following tabs. So essentially, users are getting to see friends, followers, and the following tabs. User reaction is pretty much in line with the expectations, as they are calling out Gram, looking for ways to revert or get rid of this new change. So far, we haven't come across any particular ways to disable this or revert the change, but we are still looking and will share if we spot anything relevant.